Hello there, hi, it's Dr. Craig Hindson from Loving Life Chiropractic. Today I'm going to discuss and actually going to demonstrate the practical aspect of shoveling snow. Not with your legs and not with your back, but actually with your butt. In this case we're talking about the gluteus maximus. So there's a myth going around that the best way to lift and move things around is with your legs. And what that is if my trunk is here and I'm leaning forward here and I'm starting to apply weight, anything greater than 15 degrees is actually going to start to cause damage to my discs, and I don't want that. So people talk about lifting with their legs, and they mean bending their legs and lifting using the hamstrings and using the quads. But actually there is a lot of new information coming out. This is a book by Thomas Meyer, it's called Anatomy Trains, and in there it discusses the fact that muscles don't work individually. So in other words, the gluteus maximus doesn't work on its own, or the bicep doesn't work on its own. It works in connection with all the other muscles, and they're all intertwined with fascia and muscles. Fascia is just another word for skin, connective tissue and fat, and ligaments, or ligamentous tissue. And in this case we can see the gluteus maximus clearly connects with the muscles lower down in the legs, your hamstrings, and with the erector spinae. In this case this is actually the latissimus dorsi, is the outer muscle. But again, you get the idea that the glutes are connected with the erector spinae and are connected with the hamstring. And if I engage this massive muscle here, it pulls those two together. Okay, so we're going to put this on pause, we're going to go outside and I'm going to show you a practical demonstration of shoveling snow using your butt. Hello there, hi, so we're going to continue outside now. So the idea, remember, is as I'm bending down to shovel, rather than bending forward using my back where I'm really opening up my disc to some damage, and rather than just up and down, which isn't necessarily a functional move, as I get in this position I consciously squeeze my butt muscles, my gluteus maximus. What that does is that engages with the hamstrings, it engages with the erector spinae, the back muscles. And I can even feel that, that's just like, that's gone solid now, that's as if I've got a weight belt which is all strapped across here. So this is kind of what it looks like. The snow's pretty light on the surface, underneath it's frozen, so it's not the heavy wet snow we can often see. So here we go, we get in position, we're ready, we consciously squeeze everything together, and then really working from our stomach, where we're engaging the back muscles, the leg muscles, and from there, you know, we're from this very powerful position, the whole body's engaged, which really ties in really nicely with Thomas Meyer's work and the work we do in chiropractic, where we acknowledge that all these parts are all connected. Dr. Craig Hindson, Loving Life Chiropractic, thank you very much for your time.